Needed to be stay straight.
Crown Vic front,
Yeah.
LS what?
It's just a 5.3.
Just a 5.3, but got an aftermarket intake and everything on it. Super cool. Aired down all the way now, so the control arms are up, but when it's aired up, everything's level, no bump steer. Cool way to use old cop car to make something cool, right?
Yeah.
Put you some boxing plates in. So did you build all of the mounts and everything for it, huh?
Yep.
That's super cool. Like, super cool. Ronnie told me that when they put him up in Starbirds, they put him out by Poppy's Patina, and everybody thought that this was one of those trucks, but this is actually actually original paint that's been cleaned off, sanded, and buffed like crazy. Super nice.
Wool pad about whatever kind of compound I had laying around.
Right. Yeah.
JDMZ Construction Co. or something that was on there.
Yeah, but you guys just cleaned it. He said it had gray primer and stuff all on it, and you cleaned all that off, and then bulldozers. That's cool. I mean, I love it. I mean, anything that anybody will put together. And I was looking under the back of it yesterday, and I noticed it looked like somebody had stepped on the gas at one point in here.
Oh, probably.
Maybe I'm mistaken.
It might have.
Yeah. Well, I don't know. Any of them are.
Yeah, it's a pretty solid truck. I mean, it got a little bit of rust in there.
I mean, the fabrication work definitely, takes a lot of skill to get it all done and put in there, but it's not 1-800 pull out your credit card and buy the truck kind of build, and that's becoming all too common today.
Yeah, there was one of my dad's, but it was one of my friends. He came in one day and he said, "I want to buy it."
I want to buy it.
Yeah, and I said,
what'll it take to buy it? What the heck? Chassis dyno? Yeah, we're in Ryan's shop here where he does chassis tuning, and then his boys' race cars are over here, which is super cool. The Truitt family has a huge tradition of being race car drivers on the dirt, so Ryan and his sons are definitely keeping that going. What a cool opportunity to show you guys the underside of a 57 Chevy truck that they built out of a bunch of parts. So heed the sign, guys. We will catch you on the next one.